In the whirlwind of e-commerce growth, success hinges on seamless fulfillment. But when should you pass the baton to the experts? Here's a countdown of the top 7 signs it's time to outsource your e-commerce fulfillment. 1. Space, or the lack thereof. When your inventory starts to resemble a game of Tetris, it's clear. You need a fulfillment center. 2. The ticking clock. If order logistics is devouring your time, it's time to outsource and refocus on growth. 3. The shipping cost puzzle. Feeling the squeeze on your margins? A third-party logistics provider can offer the cost-effective solutions you're searching for. 4. Complexity creeps in. As your product range diversifies, so does the challenge of inventory management. Don't let SKU madness take over. Seek external expertise. 5. The retail jungle. If retail fulfillment feels like deciphering an ancient code, it's a sign to team up with a fulfillment partner who speaks the language. 6. Tech troubles. Still stuck with spreadsheets? Modern 3PLs come equipped with technology that minimizes mistakes and maximizes efficiency. 7. The national dream. If you're aiming to conquer the US market, don't let logistics hold you back. A 3PL can be your ally in navigating the complex terrain of nationwide expansion. Heed these signs and consider a partner like ShipSage to elevate your operational efficiency. Get a free quote today.